Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Monicah and welcome back to my channel. Thank you much for subscribing and for supporting me, guys. I do appreciate the support you're showing me. And today, guys, I am making a kitchen garden here at home. You can see from my background, guys. So there was a goat shed here. So apart from this one, there was another one here. So I have what? Disconstructed it. Something of the sort. So that is whatever I've put whatever was made of it. And guys, I have put this net to prevent the chicken from coming inside. I've also put another net here to prevent the chicks or the chicken from coming inside there. And guys, have already started with the work right now. I've just taken my rake. I've taken some. Let me show you. Let me shoot from the other. Oh, let me just show you from this side. So I've already used my rake to remove a lot of waste from this place, but I've not removed all of it because I'm going to use it as manure, because I know it's going to decompose as time moves on. And guys, as you can see, my djembe is right there. So I've already dug some holes where I'm going to put my sukuma wiki. So guys, I'm planning to plant some sukuma wiki, spinach, mchicha, managu, what do you call this, coriander. So guys, I'm going, like, this will be basically my kitchen garden. My aunt is tired. I don't know where I'm missing my aunt. I have my tripod here. So yeah, so this will be basically my kitchen garden, because I have a lot of plenty water in the compound, and then this space is just here. So let me use this so that I can minimize buying vegetables from outside, yet I can plant some here. So let's do this. So let's dig our holes so that we get into planting our sukuma wiki, our spinach, our coriander, our mchicha, our managu. Yeah, like managu and mchicha, those are African vegetables of which I'll definitely show you while I will be planting. So guys, let me mount you on my tripod as we do this together. And even though you are watching this without subscribing, kindly hit that subscribe button. Guys, my hair looks so pathetic. My hair looks so bad, but I'll definitely undo it today or tomorrow, because I look bad. So let me put you on my tripod as we do this. This is whatever I'm trying to do away with, the nylon papers. Guys, another thing I decided to put my kitchen garden on this area is because we used to keep our goats here, and this place has a lot of manure, so I won't need like to add more fertilizers on the vegetable. So there is a lot of manure. Let me show you. This is basically goats poop. You see, this is poop for goats. So I'll just add manure for chickens and we'll be good to go. Guys, as I also do this, kindly tell me on the comment section which type of content you like to see me shooting while I'm in the village. Guys, I don't know what is this. You see, I don't know, but I feel it's like roots for pumpkin. I don't know, I'm not so sure. I don't know what is this, guys. Look, I just don't know whatever that is. Guys, I think I have enough holes right now, so yeah, so let's add some more water, so that like I need to pour some water on the holes so that the skumas or the vegetables, while I'm planting them, it will be easier for them, like, what do I call this, for them to survive. So I'm going to put some water on the holes, and then I plant the vegetables, and then I'm going to put another water after planting. Like, I'm going to pour more water after planting. So let's pour water on the holes. Huh? No, okay. So guys, that is it. So we have poured water on the holes, so we are only left with planting the vegetables. So, but then before we plant the vegetables, we are going first to let the water settle in. Guys, these are my vegetables, so let's get into planting. I'll be using this stick for easy planting. We have sukuma wiki, mchicha, and spinach. Yeah, so let's do this. It doesn't have so many seedlings, so I'm just going to use the ones which I have. Is I'm working to get some more seedlings. So guys, it doesn't have so much seedlings. I'm just going to work out with whatever I have right now. So let's do this. This is mchicha. This is spinach. Guess this is mchicha. That should be there. This is spinach. That should be there. Guys, I'm going to work with the available seedlings I have because that is done. I think this is a weed. I'm not so sure, but I think this is a weed, so I'm not going to plant it. But guys, those are the available seedlings I have right now, so I need to water them again after planting, so let's water them. But then you don't need a lot of water, just a little. Guys, I'm done with watering the seedlings after planting, so let me just give you just a close look over how it now looks. I can't wait for another week, like after 1 week, to look how everything is growing and how everything is doing. So let me just show you whatever I have planted on a closer. Yes, so guys, that's it for our kitchen garden. I'm going to get some more seedlings so that I can make sure every hole has a vegetable hole has a seedling in it. So I hope you have enjoyed this. If you have, kindly remember to like this video, share this video, leave down a comment below either of correction or whatever I should do better in the next time. And also guys, remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And thank you. See you on my next video. Peace.